Hello YouTube, all about the health benefits of avocados. Due to its rich mineral, fatty acid, vitamin composition, cholesterol normalizing effect, avocado is a very healthy fruit. Avocados have been loved by many and are gaining more and more popularity. For those who pass by avocados in supermarkets, I recommend taking a closer look at it. This is a unique representative of plant foods. It is officially listed in the Guinness Book of Records as a nutritious fruit. Although calling it a fruit is rather strange. After all, they don't eat avocados like an apple or pear. Avocado flesh is oily and not sweet. The bone and peel should not be eaten, as they contain the toxic substance persin, which protects the fruit itself from fungi and parasites, and can cause indigestion or allergic reactions in humans. It doesn't matter what type of plant food the avocado belongs to. Important exceptional qualities and benefits that avocados can give our body. Judge for yourself. Avocado rich in nutrients. Avocado fruits are rich in silicon, in 100 grams to 213% of the daily value, boron, respectively -14.3%, nickel, 140%. And these elements affect the condition of bones, joints, blood vessels, skin, hair, play a role in the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, hormones. It is especially important to pay attention to these elements for women with menopause. It is also a good source of potassium and magnesium. Avocados are high in vitamin E, 13% of the daily value per 100 grams, a natural antioxidant that protects the body from premature aging. Despite the fact that half the pulp of one fruit contains 9 grams of carbohydrates, about 7 of them are fiber, which makes up about 20% of the daily requirement. Only half a gram of the total amount of carbohydrates are starch and 0.5 to 0.7 grams are simple sugars. Due to this composition, its glycemic index is very low and is equal to 10. Avocado improves immunity, makes the body younger. The high content and unique combination of natural antioxidants in avocados, primarily vitamins, minerals and unsaturated fatty acids, help the body fight inflammation and strengthen immunity. 100 grams of avocado contains 1.5 daily doses of phytosterols, which reduce the concentration of cholesterol in the human body, promote collagen production, keeping the skin young. It is necessary to know that phytosterols also have an antiandrogenic effect. They reduce the level and activity of male androgen hormones. Therefore, it should be included in the diet of women who have a high level of male hormones, for example, in the case of polycystic ovaries or menopause. Include avocados in the male diet with caution. Regular use can lead to hormonal imbalance in men, a decrease in the level of testosterone, the male sex hormone. But this property of avocados can be used by men in the presence of hypertrophy or prostate adenoma. This has a positive effect on the gland. Scientists believe that eating avocados reduces the risk of prostate cancer. It should be remembered that for 100 grams of avocado, and this is half the pulp of one fruit, there are about 120–160 calories, depending on the variety, mainly due to fat. And although it contains very useful essential fatty acids, omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9, this fruit should not be abused. Indeed, in 100 grams there are about 15 grams of fat, which is almost half the daily norm of vegetable fats. Avocado is easy to cook. The fruit has a soft creamy texture. This allows you to include it in the composition of various dishes. They are usually eaten raw. Use as a separate dish or as part of salads, sandwiches, sushi, fruit and vegetable strip. In the case of heat treatment, boiling, frying, baking, avocado acquires a bitter, unpleasant taste due to the content of tannin in it. Avocado in nutrition. Avocado's high fat content and high dietary fiber content give good satiety when paired with vegetables. This fruit is useful to include in the diet during fasting. Due to the rich mineral, fatty acid, vitamin composition, cholesterol normalizing action of avocado, the fruit is very healthy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.